In the video player, select Settings. Now click Quality. Choose your preferred video quality. The steps for adjusting video quality are basically the same for mobile devices. In the video player, select More. Tap Quality, then select your preferred video quality.
Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm here with another topic, and that is tag question. And this is lecture number 15. Let's start. Before starting the topic, we must learn what tag means. The word tag can be used as a noun or as a verb. As a noun, tag means a piece of something. For example, price tag. You might have seen a piece of card hanging to a dress in a shopping mall on which the price of that thing is written. That's called price tag. Skin tag. Skin tag is a small piece of meat somewhere on our skin. Question tag or tag question. This is our topic today. We will study it. Name tag and many more. As a verb, tag means to attach or to link. In Facebook, friends tag friends. Let's start tag question. Tag question can also be called interrogative fragment or disjunctive tag. The structure of tag question. Tag question is made of 2 or 3 words. In a positive way, auxiliary plus subject pronoun, and in a negative way, auxiliary plus not plus subject pronoun. Now remember one thing, when tag question is negative, we will use the contraction form of auxiliary plus not. We use tag question at the end of a declarative sentence or imperative sentence for these purposes: agreement, confirmation, surprise, reaction. Now remember one thing, if the sentence is positive, tag question is mostly negative. If the sentence is negative, tag question is positive. It is also possible that both of them are positive or negative. We call them echo tag question. Let's study the rules. If we have let's in a sentence, in tag question we will have shall we. If the sentence has I am, means a positive sentence. In tag question we have 3 options: aren't I, am I not, ain't I. This one is formal, but this one is common. People mostly use aren't I because we do not have the contraction form of am not. That's why we have 3 options. The third one is very informal. Rule number 3, when we have this, that, something, nothing, everything, in tag question we will have it. Now remember one thing, it is singular, so auxiliary must be singular. Rule number 4, when we have these, those, someone, no one, everyone, somebody, nobody, everybody, in tag question we will have they for them. And remember, they is plural, so we will have a plural auxiliary before they. Rule number 5, when we have an imperative sentence, in tag question we have all these options and all of them are correct. Will you, won't you, can you, can't you, would you, wouldn't you. Rule number 6, remember, when we have a negative word in a sentence which makes the meaning of a sentence negative, we will have a positive tag question. Now some of the negative words are here: never, no, not, rarely, seldom, scarcely, no one, nothing, and etc. Rule number 7, universal tag questions. Now, what is universal take questions? Right, okay, yeah. We can use these questions or take questions at the end of any declarative or imperative sentence with any modal auxiliary verbs. Remember guys, this point is important. If you have a rising intonation at the end of a take question, it means that you do not know the answer, whether the answer will be yes or no. It means that you want to confirm it or you want to show surprise. But if you have a falling intonation of sound, it means that you want the other person to agree with you. It means that you know the answer. Let's have examples. I'm sick. Aren't I? Am I not? Ain't I? When we have I am, we have three options in the take question. Another example. Let's dance. Shall we? Something is missing, isn't it? Now we use it when we have the subject something. Nothing is okay, is it? Now look at this. Take question is positive, but here we have nothing. The word nothing changes the meaning of the sentence. So the sentence here has a negative meaning. That's why we will have a positive take question. Everyone is sleeping, aren't they? Now here we have a singular verb, while here we have a plural verb. Why? Because we have they for everyone, and they is plural. That's why we will have a plural auxiliary verb. No one loves me, do they? Now here we have the word no one, which is negative in nature. That's why we have a positive auxiliary. He rarely smokes, does he? Now, do we have a negative word here? Yes, we have the word rarely, which is negative in nature. So it changes the meaning of a sentence. That's why we have a positive take question. So if you have any kind of questions, you can ask in the comment section below. And do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.